here is the R9Kustoms Sissybar Duffle Bag. We designed this a few years ago. Basically designed it because when we're looking out there on the market, there wasn't something that had that really cool vintage look and was multi-fit and allowed you to get it onto your bike and off your bike nice and easy. So what we designed was this 22-ounce waxed canvas roll top duffel bag. Now, it's waterproof with the 22-ounce waxed canvas. It's also got a PVC tartan liner inside it, so you're going to be guaranteed that it's going to keep everything dry. You've got all genuine leather and brass style buckles, keepers in there to make sure everything doesn't flap around. Both sides of the bag feature pockets that you can throw your water bottle in. The bottom of the pocket's got a nice little drain hole in it, so if you get a bit of water in there or your bottle sweats a bit, you know, you're not going to end up with all this moisture and mold and stuff in the bottom there. On it you've got a carry strap which clips on and off with ease. Now this carry strap, you know, you can just go and pop it in your bag in your side pocket so that when you get to camp you can just throw it over your shoulder, carry it away. Now on the back we've got a nice corset design. This is basically what makes this unique. It's tapered, you've got the lace through there. Now that'll fit up to a width of about 24 centimeters on the base of the sissy bar. We've also got these tabs on here. So if you've got like a super wide sissy bar and you find that the allocation that these eyelets give you is not enough, simply take the lace out and thread it through these tabs instead. And that gives you an extra 3 or 4 centimeters of width to make sure you get that cinched down nice and tight on your sissy bar. Okay, so the bag, like I said, it's all genuine leather. You know, these straps, you know, that's 4.5 mil, double laminated, edge stitched. All the stitching on the bag, it's double stitched where necessary. We've got all the brass style rivets. Now the top of it, when it's closed properly, you've got 4 press studs. So you've got press stud in the side there that opens up, and then those press studs. Now that makes sure that when you do go and roll it closed, the ends aren't sitting out open, allowing water in. And that's your nice tartan backing in there. So basically we've got this in a desert tan, which is this one. And then we've also got it in the military green and the black. We've got these in stock. They are free shipping, so it doesn't matter where you live, we're going to be able to get this out to you. So obviously with COVID, you know, the world's still a bit crazy with COVID, so there still can be some delays there. It's so hit and miss, so just be patient with us. But the moment you order, we get this shipped within 24 hours and send you a tracking number. So jump online, r9kustoms.com, and grab yourself a roll top sissy bar duffel bag for the next riding season. Cheers guys.